everyone, it's me, Quickly Mayhem, and today I'm going to be doing an EAS alarm tier list of how scary they are. We have, repeat myself, oh no, would just walked out, not that scary, I would have no fear, would sleep to this, and zzz. Alright, first, USA. Yeah, USA. So it just goes like, beep, beep, beep. Man, I would have put it like there. Maybe it would still do this. No. I would have no fear. I don't know what that country is, so I'm gonna go on the YouTubes. Oh, it's the Bulgarian one. Let me hear it. Okay, that's a lot of beeping noises. Bulgaria, it's not that scary. The beeping noise is getting off guard. Okay, Germany. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Yes. This one. That's the mock. It actually, I heard the real one. I can't really find it anywhere, so I'm just gonna say would have walked out. But for Germany mock, I guess that's the correct one for that one. I would have no fear. India, so I would just walked out. Japan, no comment. I don't know what country that is. Let me see this. All right. Indonesia. Okay, it's just beeping noises. Yeah, that's definitely a Z tier. Spain. Ah, yes. I would say not that scary. Sweden. I'm gonna guess that's just beeping noises too. Alright, where's the beeping? Okay. Alright, so it's just a beep. So I would take this. UK is basically the same as America. France, it's a mock, but we don't know if it's real or not. So I would say not that scary. Botswana. Stadia gave me Okay, that's actually really loud. That would wake me up when I'm sleeping. So I would have been like. So if I was sleeping, I would pee myself because I would probably take a nap. I don't know what the heck this country is. Let me see this. Oh, it's Egypt. Okay, Egypt. It's really goofy, so I would have no fear. Like let's hear Egypt. Okay, so Egypt is like. Then someone's speaking into a Pringles can. So yeah, I would have no fear with Egypt. Alright, Polish? Is that correct? No. The ones at the top. Sorry guys, I'm not good with geometry. I'm not good with geography. Wait. What's that one? Oh, frick, that's Roblox. I'm an idiot! Alright. Alright, so Poland? Yeah, I would have no fear. Indonesia, I would probably not that scary. Iran, it's a car. I would stick to that. Okay, let me hear a rock. The rock. I'm sorry guys. I'm gonna put it down in case it gets scared. Holy crap. Okay, I would pee myself. Ireland? Let me put it first. Wait, just like one of those car belt instigator things. I would just walked out. Italy, a Viber, so I would have no fear. Czech is basically just America. It's basically just America, guys. So I'm just gonna say there. I don't know what this country. Oh, it's Russia, right? Say, wait, that's your. Alright, that one doesn't have the noise. So let's just hear the check. Okay, so it's just going higher. That would have just been no. I don't know what this country is. Oh my god, why do I not know any of these countries? I should pay more attention in school about about geography. But I know some countries are different. But wait, that's Denmark. Oh, I'm an idiot. That one had no clue. All right, Russia. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's the Lithuanian. Holy macaroni, cheese, and pickles. I don't know all that. That would have been an over. Got confused. Australia. Oh. Sorry if I sound pretty dead. I haven't slept in a while. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I slept, but I was just tired. I'm tired. Oh God. Okay, that I would pee myself for that. Canada. The noises, it just says, oh no. Maybe walk. No. Philippines. Brazil. It tells me when I'm going to Brazil or not, so I know what I would pee myself. Chile. I heard this one a million times. It sounds like a theme park opening, like a theme park. China. All right, let's just hear China for a second. Also, here's the Chilean if you want to hear it. Post-edit AM here. I'm gonna put no music in the rest of this video because it's gonna collide with the EAS alarm sounds, and yeah, subscribe, stay safe, and I say safe, and I hope you enjoy. Yes, I know it sounds like a roller coaster thingy opening. And all right, China. Okay, China, China, and also Canadian. Yeah, it's kind of nice. It's kind of leisurely. Oh. The fact that there's a Chinese lady counting down. Okay, the fact there's a Chinese lady counting down from that. Greek sounds like the end of the world. I would pee myself. Israel, same too. Mexico, man, I lived here for a while. I lived there. I heard it. It was just like wow, wow, wow. So I would sleep to that. But when I was a baby, that was an ah. But for now, it's not that scary. Sorry, home country. Malaysia, no comment. Because, let's just hear this devil of a country. Yeah, that's Malaysia, and here's Greek. What the heck? Okay, this is just sus. And here is oh wait, here's Brazil. Alright, okay, here's there's also the Philippines. Oh yeah, here's Israel. Yep. It's very scary. I know that one isn't in the tier list, but who cares? Alright, there's Mexico. It goes like wow, 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 wow. Philippines. It sounds kind of loud. Okay, here's the real Russia. I would just walked out. Australia. I would have no fear. Maybe. Saudi Arabia. I would go Finland. Let me see if that's Finland. I don't know. Again, I don't really pay attention that much. Okay. Okay, it's really basic. I like chicken nuggets, so they're Portugal. Go like boop 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 boop. Like that one's kind of mid, I guess. Singaporita. Alright, it's kind of simple. Just go like. Okay, guys, we're going to the scarier ones. Seriously though, I'm gonna put down my volume. Alright. Also, here's Saudi Arabia. I know it sounds like you're supposed to sing for the national anthem. Alright. No comment. South Korea. Let's check if we have South Korea in the video. Okay. It's just the modem sound. But still though, if I saw that, I would have peed myself. Ukraine. I'm sorry those 14-year-old cringe TikTok girls who have hashtag save Ukraine and expect everything to just be back to normal. But yeah, I would have no fear. Sorry guys. Alright, Turkey, the bok bok chicken. Yes, I used to call turkey bok bok chicken. I was a stupid little kid back then, okay? Dang, who knew turkeys would have such a loud EAS alarm? Okay, I would have peed myself again. Okay, Taiwan. This is what happens if you don't pay your social credit. Alright, let's do this. Alright, I forgot what it was. Sorry guys. My fan is all the way up right now. But, okay. Yeah, Taiwan. Chile, you're gonna do there. Yeah, you'll go to, oh no. No, okay. Swiss Cheeserland. Swiss Cheeseland. Alright, let's see Mr. Swiss Cheese. I would have just walked out. Okay, now we're gonna do Norway. In Norway. Oh my god. Yep, that goes with Malaysia. Congratulations, Norway. You're with Malaysia. Yeah, here's the complete EAS alarm tier list. We have with 2, would pee myself with 8. Oh no, with 5. Would have just walked out with 4. 7. Not that scary with 7. I would have no fear with 10. Would sleep to this with 3 and zzz with 4. Hope you guys like this tier list. Yeah. Thanks for watching and goodbye.